"28 years, my wife and I, twice a year, and came to love the people and the area and the weather. And after I retired, I decided to move here. So, yeah."
Can you share a little bit about your relationship with your wife and what made Aruba so special for you?
Oh yeah, well, it was her happy place for sure, and she was more of a beach person than me, but I adapted to it, and the weather was always good and the people were friendly, so it was very easy to adapt here. Very easy.
And how has living in Aruba compared to your experience visiting as a tourist?
I like it better now. I try to stay away from the tourists. Maybe that's not a good thing, but I try to, only brief interactions with the tourists. So.
And is this Christmas getup, is this a way to honor your late wife in a way, or?
No, not really. It was something I did my first year that I was here full time, and I was staying here at Tu Casita, and some guests that were here came back. It was Christmas week, and they came back with the hats on, and I was here. I think I was in the pool and barbecuing, and I said, "Oh, those are nice hats." And I said, I have a suit because I used to put the suit on in the States. So they said, "Go home and get the suit." And they were young girls, young in their 20s, and they helped me put the suit on, and then we went out and went to some of the hotels and everything, and we had a really good time. So once that started, then I do it every year, and I have a lot of help. So.
Could you tell us a little bit about the car?
The car, I fell in love with those 25 years ago because all the contractors here on the island used them, and I always loved them. They're very kind of unique coming from the States. And once I was here full time, my friend Mario, he tracked one down for me, and then I bought one, and then I bought another one. I love it. Yeah, it's really a special vehicle. So, and then I put Christmas lights on there and everything. So, yeah, we have fun with it. Well, just that be kind to each other, and maybe in the whole world everything will get better, for everyone. Because living here has opened my eyes to a lot of other people's that I really wasn't aware of before. A lot of other people's struggles. So being here, because there's so many people from other places here. So I really appreciate knowing about that. So. It's really, I think, the people. It's just an easier way to live, and I was living kind of like the rat race, driving back and forth to work, and a lot of time on the road, and I really didn't have to do that. So here, if I drive a mile a day, that's enough, and so.
How long had you been coming to Aruba before?
28 years. Twice a year too. And we always rented apartments. We never stayed in the hotels or anything like that. So it really gave us a better feeling for the island. So, yeah. It was good. Very good. We had a good run here. So, yeah. And actually, I spread some of her ashes here after she passed because that's what she wanted. So we went out on a boat, and So, So. Yeah.
And what about your family?
I have a brother and a sister that live in the States, and my sister's been down here a few times to visit, and sometimes she stays with me, sometimes she stays here at Tu Casita. My brother hasn't made it down. I've had some friends come down and they stay with me because I'm here, so it's a lot easier. All they have to do is buy a plane ticket.